So here we are. I've just got off at Bromsgrove. Quite a packed train, only 3 carriages, and it was a bit difficult to get out actually. Anyway, I've unfolded the bike and now I'm going to cycle to the canal, back to Lock 41, and then I'm going to go up to Tardebigge Tunnel and I'll join you then. Okay, so I've reached Tardebigge Tunnel, which is as far as I came last time, and what I need to do now is to go that way to hopefully Alvechurch and possibly a bit farther. So my next task is to find a way over here. There is a main road. I'm hoping there's a path that leads me directly to the towpath at the other side. So, without any further ado, let's get on with it. So, I took a wrong turn. I ended up in the grounds of the prison. Well, not literally, just outside. So I done what I should have done in the first place, which was switch on Google Maps, and now I think I found the right way. This is the way to rejoin the towpath apparently, so I've just been told. So sadly I can't show you the northerly end of the tunnel. It's down there about half a mile I think. I couldn't reach any towpath for it, so I've had to pass this wharf so we can rejoin the towpath. It's not the most wonderful of towpaths by the looks of it. Well, we'll give it a go and we'll see how we get on. It's a rather sad looking boat. And a lot of quacking going on to my left. Some kind of poultry farm. Well, I gotta say this towpath is enormously disappointing. It's bumpy, it's narrow, it's caked with nettles on all sides. So I'm just gonna walk it for a little bit and hope that it gets better. Lots of stingy nettles, which are catching me regularly. I'm just pushing the bike through this. Good Lord, that was a surprise. Get going again for a while at least. We live across these tree roots. here. So a bit more of a towpath here. I can afford to get back on, but it won't be for long because I can see a tunnel ahead. Tree roots again. Oh, you know, I wonder if the SAS come here. Weed out all the ones who aren't up to the job, you know. I wonder. Oh, there's the tunnel. I can't make out what the sign says from up here, so I'm going to have to consult my Nicholson's guide, I think. Yeah. So I've got my Nicholson guide number 2, which includes the Worcester and Birmingham Canal. And so yeah, this is Shortwood Tunnel, 613 yards long. So it's a bit longer than Tardebigge Tunnel was. Looks like it's dead straight. And according to the map, there is a path going over. There's a narrowboat coming up. I think it might be a higher boat. And they're quite a noisy lot on there. I can imagine what the noise they'll be making in the tunnel. Right, let's go see what the path is like over there. Well, here is the path, and it looks pretty muddy to me. I just met a chap on a pink Brompton, which he said was, I think, about 12 years old, and he's added lots of titanium parts to make it lighter. And he had a very big basket on the front which is full of shopping, and he's just been coming from Alvechurch and he's going towards Tardebigge, so he's doing the opposite to me. So that was nice. We were both walking at the time. Look at this beautiful field. What a fantastic tree. Oh, these tree roots. I mean, this is a bit ridiculous. If I wanted to do cyclocross, I'd have bought a cyclocross bike. Do you know, I really hope I've not taken a wrong turn. Negotiating all this for nothing would be very upsetting. Let's pick her up. Well, okay, I think I'm in the right place. You can see that's the end of the tunnel there, just behind that big fallen log. There's the canal, and this is what I've got to look forward to. So there's a boat coming towards me. Very, very, very muddy here. Oh, it looks very peaceful. So here's a nice shot. You can see the crane, the straps and the boat. That's the kind of crane you need to lift a narrowboat. And they'd lift it up and put it in the water where this higher boat is. So this is the bridge under the M42 motorway. The usual assortment of graffiti. And I think this is as far as I'll get today. The muddy sections and the detours really slowed me down quite a lot. The towpath is quite nice now. And it looks okay going that way, but there is another tunnel, I think a couple of miles ahead, which is quite a very long one, and there's no way I was going to be able to bypass that. So I'm going to turn around and head back, have a little look around Alvechurch, I think, and maybe I can get myself something to eat. I mean, sometimes you really do see some fantastic houses around the canals. Doesn't get much better than this, does it? So this is Alvechurch, and what I decided to do is I'm going to ride back on the main road, because I think it's just going to take too long on the towpath, going by my experience today so far. Unfortunately, it does mean I have to ride back up this hill past the station and then further upwards again, I believe. Quite a nice little town. I must admit I sought solace in the fish and chip bar and felt much relieved afterwards. And by the way, the keen Brompton watchers amongst you will probably have spotted that I've changed the handlebar grips. A number of people commented on my Brompton video that they recommended these ergon grips. And so I bought some. They've got these little end pieces as well, which are adjustable. This is the Ergon GP2. Very, very easy to fit. There's just a single Allen key under there, and the original levers came off without any trouble at all, and these fitted straight on. And yeah, I have to say, it's much more comfortable with these, much more comfortable. I ordered them from Brilliant Bikes, and they were delivered the following day. So great service from them as usual. Maybe not the best idea to be eating fish and chips and then cycling up a hill like this. Needs must when the devil drives. Well, I have to admit, I got off and I'm pushing up this hill. I'm not as fit as I'd like to be. And there's a case for some lower gears on this Brompton, I think. So it goes on. Well, I just missed my train. I was hoping to get the 3:15. It's now 24 minutes past. Despite my best efforts, I just couldn't get enough speed up to get back here quickly enough. But I think it was certainly a quicker option than trying to ride back on the towpath that I went up on. So my next train is at 4:10. It says it's on time, so that should get me into Ledbury about just before 5 o'clock. That's not too bad. So I'm just gonna have a little rest, I think, now. Yeah, not much else to do. I've done enough cycling, I think, for one day. So I hope you enjoyed this little jaunt up the Worcester and Birmingham from Tardebigge to Alvechurch. The next bit involves a very long tunnel, which I'd have to ride through quite a large town to avoid, and it could be quite complex. So I think what I'll do is I'll miss out that section, and the next episode will probably be the last one, actually, because I'll be, I think, getting off at the university train station, and then I'll cycle back down this way, or walk back, I'm not sure yet, turn around and then walk all the way up into Birmingham New Street. So there should be plenty to see on that one. I'll check out the mileage. I may walk that one, I'm not sure, because it's such a gamble with the towpath. I can't be sure what it'll be like. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like, as usual. Please leave a comment if you've something to say. And if you haven't subscribed already, then please do think of doing so. It doesn't cost you anything. And the more subscribers I get, the better it is for me. I don't get paid more money for more subscribers. I don't get paid anything, actually. But it is nice to know that people wish to subscribe. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.